Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to start with OpenCV. Before you watch this video, you need to go to a video where I show how to install OpenCV. So for those who have an OpenCV, um, then you open the software PyCharm, then you say file, say new project, then choose any name, just say OpenCV or any name. So just say OpenCV 1.5. You leave these as they are, then you say create. Then since we have a window open, so you just say new window. So this video is not gonna be long. I'm just gonna show you introduction in OpenCV, how to start with OpenCV. Then on the next video, we're going to do object detection, or yes, a color detection. So then you need to install the libraries. So you say file, say settings, then you go to your project. So project name, you see project. This is my project name, OpenCV 1.5. Yours will be different. So what you do, you say interpreter, then click on install, then you type OpenCV Python. If it doesn't appear, meaning you don't have an OpenCV, so go watch the video where I show how to install OpenCV. So you say OpenCV Python, say install. So there are two libraries that you need to, or extension that you need to install, and the other one is NumPy. So on the tutorial I'm going to do right now, it's not important, but it's up to you. So you can just say NumPy, say install. Okay, it's installed. Then you say close. Then you say okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to write a code to access the camera. The code to access the camera. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to import the libraries. So you can say import, say CV2, so it's there. Then you say import, say np for numpy. So you say no numpy snp. Okay, just say numpy, it's fine. Okay. And the second thing that you need to do is to initialize the video capture from the webcam, or if you are using an external camera. I'm using an external camera right now, so I'll show you. So you initializing, let's say cap for capture. So then you say cv2 dot video capture. So say video capture. Okay. So if you are using a webcam, put zero. Your laptop webcam, you say zero. If you're using an external, you say one. But on my laptop, I see when I do, it's doing the opposite. So when I put zero, is the external one. When I put one, is the laptop webcam. So let's use the one for webcam first. Then you say, then the next step that we need to do, so we say while. So we do our main code now, say while is true, then and then we capture, we write a part where the capture frame by frame part. So I'm just gonna say success, comma, so frame by frame. So we say frame equal to video capture video. So video capture video capture dot read video capture dot read. Okay, then the next step that we need to do is to display. We need to the part for displaying. Then we say CV2 I am show and say frame. We need to give a heading or a title. So I'm just gonna say original. You need to give it a heading or a title. So we say frame. Okay. And after that, the last step, CV2. So you just say wait key. I don't know why am I getting error on this one. I don't know why I'm getting error. Oh, we're supposed to say cap. Yeah, this one, cap.read. Okay, so do this, give it a space. Okay, so this is the code if you want to just to access the camera using a OpenCV, because you're going to do a lot of things. So we say run main. Okay, video capture. Okay, so meaning we need to use capital V instead of the small yes. So you see this one is the one for on my laptop. It's a webcam, so it doesn't show very well. So I'm just gonna stop. Then I'm going to use the external one. So 0. See, the external one is a bit much. Okay, so let me switch it on. Okay, let me start. It was off, so now it's on. Okay, you see, now it's clear. Okay guys, so on this video I was just showing you how to access the camera using OpenCV. So on the next video I'm going to show you object detection, color detection, not object, the color detection on this video. So thanks guys, please subscribe and click the like button.